Skill number 10 in the Admin Skills Kit is Designer's Mindset, and this is where you create human-centered user experiences in Salesforce. And so what it means to be human-centered is to bear in mind that when you're creating something on the platform, that it's a human that's going to use those tools that you're putting together. You want to make their experience enjoyable and easy and not painful. And so that's what it means to be human-centered, to think about what the end user will experience. So some examples of how to represent the designer's mindset on your resume would be things such as you have worked closely with business stakeholders to build solutions focused on improving the user experience. Now you'll see this term user experience, sometimes an acronym UX that denotes user experience. And so just thinking about the experience of the end user as they're using the app or program that you've created on the platform. And as well, you need to proactively plan and facilitate design testing and validation to ensure the optimal user experience. So just because you create something that you think is user-friendly, it's a good idea to put that to a test by having your end users try out what you've built to see what their feedback is. And then finally, if you've incorporated a human-centered design into Salesforce solutions by doing fill in the blank. For example, creating a single record page for each custom object that serves all, fully utilizing dynamic forms and actions as well as component visibility. So that is a good example of how you could think about making a single page serve multiple dynamic purposes depending on the user that is using that particular page. Now, as well, on the employer side of things, how you may approach the job description in seeking out those with a designer mindset would be that you're looking for someone that delivers human-centered user experiences using Salesforce, as well as possessing a baseline knowledge of how to solve problems using design UX concepts. Once again, UX is user experience. And then also understand the declarative features of the Salesforce platform and how they can be used to design a human-centered user experience to solve problems. Now, just a quick note on declarative. Declarative means clicks instead of code. So there's a lot you can do on the Salesforce platform through declarative or clicks instead of code. Those features need to be well known by those that have a designer's mindset so that they can use that to design that human-centered user experience to help solve those problems that are being experienced. And there's several resources available, such as to develop a designer's mindset as a Salesforce admin. That's a blog article that you can check out, about a 5-minute read, as well as getting to know relationship design. That is available on Trailhead. There's several different modules contained herein, such as relationship design, ethics by design, inclusive design, values-driven design, and more, all design related. And then as well, design thinking for admins by Adam Doty. That is an interview that was conducted by Jillian Bruce back over a year ago, and discussing things related to design decisions made by admins, and then further resources from there. So be sure and check out the resources for Designer's Mindset. That is the 10th skill inside the Admin Skills Kit. Next up will be Change Management skill number 11. See you there.